Kathleen, and thank you for joining me in my workshop. Today I'm going to be turning a piece of maple blank into, hopefully, this Beehive lidded box. So this box was made back in 2005 out of cedar, and it took me about 3 days. I was brand new at turning, and I got the idea from this book. And in page 122, there's what it should have looked like. Now, since 2005, I have changed my style of turning. I've learned a lot, got new tools. So hopefully this won't take 3 days to turn. This piece is an end grain cut, which means the grain goes from this end to this end. It's currently mounted between centers, and that will allow me to make, to turn a foot on both ends. I need that so that when I have the shape of the box that I want, I can turn the body and the lid separately. I'll stop along the way to show you what I mean. Now, when I'm turning, I may use my bowl gouge, which is a universal tool, or I'll use some of my spindle gouges, which are especially made for end grain turning. So here's a rough drawing of how I am going to turn the beehive. So if I take my old one, this will be the bottom part, this will be the top, and in this area here is where I'm going to do the indentation for the lid. So this is where I'm going to split it. I'm going to do the rough shape first, split it, and then finish it using the foot on either end for both pieces. Now that I have the basic shape for both the body and the lid, I'm going to part it in the middle so that I can attach each piece to a chuck and then just refine and finish the outside and hollow out the inside. The base has been mounted on my chuck. I just need to really refine this and make it smoother and also hollow out the inside so that it can be a little bowl. To hollow out the inside, I'm going to use a big drill bit and go in probably to the third ring. Let's get started. The outside is finished and the inside has been hollowed out. I just have to part it off the lathe and then work on the lid. The lid has been mounted and the bottom will fit nicely on there. I just have to make this a little smoother and part off the top. I've set up my vacuum chuck so I can take both pieces and finish them off properly. So I need to just get rid of this part on the lid. I've hollowed it out a little bit, and then on the base I need to smooth out the bottom so that it sits flat. So I'll be using my vacuum chuck to do these two pieces. The inside of the beehive isn't very nice. I have a few gouges I wasn't able to remove, and it's not as smooth as I would like. So my solution to that is to flock it. I have the glue, the powder, and the applicator. So I will flock it, and it'll make a much nicer finish for the inside of the beehive. The beehive is finished. I flocked the inside so that it's much nicer than it was in its natural state. I've added a little bee charm to the top. I just glued it with a glue gun. And there you have it. It's been finished with Osmo clear satin, and it's ready to go to its new owner. I hope you enjoyed this video and you come back for more. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Kathleen. I have perfected my technique a little bit. Well, perfected. Well, looks like I dropped the phone, the camera, so let's try it again. The top is going to fit into the bottom, and there it goes. Yeah, I keep dropping things. Let's start turning. I've set up my vacuum chuck so that I can take both pieces and finish. Let's start again. Our other spindle gouges, yes, spindle gouges that I can use that will make turning this much